Today we're tackling something that is, well, absolutely critical for anyone with a pet. We're talking about how to build a life-saving emergency plan for them. So let's get right into it.
Okay, let's start with a really important question. Imagine this. You have to evacuate your home, and you've only got 5 minutes. 5 minutes! Is your pet ready to go? I mean, really ready? This is the one question that every single pet owner out there should be able to answer with a rock-solid, confident yes.
So, to get this right, we're not just winging it. We are diving into an amazing guide from Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based research group, and they've basically created a step-by-step roadmap to get you prepared. The goal here? Real peace of mind.
All right, section 1. First up, let's talk about the why. Why does your pet even need a plan? And I'll tell you, it's not just a good idea or something you'll get to eventually. We're going to see why this is absolutely non-negotiable for their safety.
You know, disasters are just so unpredictable, and for our pets, they come with some really specific, scary risks. We're talking about things like smoke inhalation from wildfires, getting lost during the chaos of an earthquake. Each one of these situations is a unique threat, and your plan needs to be ready for them.
And look at this. It really paints a picture of two totally different outcomes, doesn't it? On one side, you've got a plan. That means peace of mind, a quicker recovery, and your pet is safe. On the other side, no plan. That's just more stress, more danger, and your pet is left totally vulnerable. It's a no-brainer, really.
Okay, let's get practical. Section 2 is all about building your pet's go bag. This is the hands-on part, the actual kit that you can grab and go at a moment's notice, knowing it has everything your pet needs.
So when you start thinking about this bag, there's one magic number to remember. 3. Just 3. The guide says you need a minimum of a 3-day supply of food and water. That's the baseline to get them through the first, most critical part of any emergency.
Now, I know this can feel a little overwhelming, but the guide breaks it down beautifully. Just focus on what they call the core 4. It's super simple. Number 1, food and water. 2, meds and records. 3, a first aid kit. And 4, a leash and carrier. Nail these 4 things and you've got a fantastic foundation for your kit.
But don't stop at the core 4. These next few things are just as crucial. A favorite toy or blanket? That's not a luxury. That's for comfort. It helps keep them calm. And hey, that tip about a recent photo of you with your pet? That is gold. If you ever get separated, that photo is your proof of ownership. Seriously, don't skip that one. All right, so your go bag is packed. Check. But having the bag is only half the battle, right? You need a plan for how you're actually going to use it. So let's talk logistics. Section 3, your pet's evacuation plan.
This is so important. Think of it like a 2-factor authentication for your pet's safety. The ID tag on the collar, that's your password. It's visible, it's immediate. But what if the collar comes off? That's where the microchip comes in. It's the permanent, unlosable backup. A vet or shelter can scan it and get your pet right back to you. You really need both.
And the guide is crystal clear here. It's not an either-or situation. You absolutely need both for the best protection. And here's the kicker. Both of them are useless if your contact info is out of date. So double-check it, like right now. Is your current phone number on there?
Okay, so how do we put this all together? With a simple 3-step action plan. Step 1, make a plan. Know where you're going, a friend's place, a pet-friendly hotel. Step 2, have that go bag ready. And step 3, and this is the one people forget, practice. Seriously, do a couple of drills. It helps your pet learn that the carrier isn't scary, it's just part of a routine. It makes a huge difference.
All right, last section. We've covered the gear and the logistics, but now we need to talk about maybe the most important part, the emotional side. How do we keep our pets safe and calm through all this? Because they're going to be looking right at you, taking their cues from how you react.
This table is fantastic. It's basically a translation guide for your pet's stress signals. They can't use words to tell you they're freaking out, but they'll show you. If they're hiding, you do this. If they're shaking, you do that. Knowing how to read their body language and what to do about it, that is a total game changer.
So what exactly is a safe haven? It's simple, really. It's just a secure spot where your pet can go to get away from the chaos. It could be their crate with a comfy blanket, a quiet corner, even under a bed. The point is, it's their space. It gives them a little bit of control when everything else feels out of control.
So let's wrap it up with this one final thought. Your pet trusts you, like completely. They trust you to keep them safe no matter what. So the real question is your plan ready to honor that trust? Because this isn't just about checking boxes on a list. It's about keeping a promise to a member of your family.